Welcome to the DS Smart Firmware Guided Update for the Attendant Connected Vital Signs Monitor. After viewing this video, the DS Smart App Update Wizard will guide you step by step through that update. In order to perform the update, you will need the USB drive provided by Direct Supply. This USB drive contains the new firmware files necessary to update your monitor. Once you have your USB drive ready, you can start the update process. To begin, turn off the Attendant Connected Vital Signs monitor by pressing and holding the power button on the left side of the monitor for 2 seconds before releasing it. Next, remove the USB port cover on the left side of the monitor. Then, insert the USB drive into the full-size USB port on the left side of the monitor. While pressing and holding the blue blood pressure button on the monitor, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds before releasing both buttons. This will start the update process. While the firmware is updating, there will be a progress bar indicating that the new firmware is being loaded. Once the update is complete, the new firmware revision number will flash on the screen. Turn off the Vital Signs monitor by pressing and holding the power button for 2 seconds before releasing it. Remove the USB drive from the USB port on the left side of the monitor. Replace the USB port cover on the Vital Signs monitor. To finish, turn on the Vital Signs monitor by pressing and holding the power button for 2 seconds before releasing it. The monitor will power up with the new firmware loaded and be ready to use. You are now ready to use the Firmware Update Wizard on the DS Smart app to complete your updates. If you have any questions, please reach out to Direct Supply Customer Service.